I'm building a computer. For the motherboard, I went with the Strix B550F. RAM, I went with two 8 gig sticks of Neo 3600 speed. For the graphics card, I went with the Strix RX 5700 XT. For the power supply, I went with an Evga GT Supernova 750 watt power supply. And for the CPU, I got a Ryzen 7 5800X. Originally, I was going for Ryzen 7 3700X, but they offered me this, and I was like, oh, okay. It's new and out of stock everywhere, so why not? For the case, I went with a 465X RGB. Came with 3 pre-installed LL120 fans, and I bought a 3-pack and added more. Now, currently, I don't have a CPU cooler because the one that I was looking for, the Noctua NHU12S, is currently like out of stock everywhere and overpriced when I find one. So I went for another one. Currently it's December 3 and it arrives at the 10th, so I guess I'll just edit it until I come back. So the CPU cooler has arrived yesterday. Today it's the 6th, and as you can see, I went with the Be Quiet Dark Rock Pro 4. Looks nice. And it's a chunky boy. Let me get it out the box. Take a look at this chunky boy. It's big. Oh, ignoring the fact that the second fan just fell out, I now have every part required to start building. So, I guess let's get to it. There you have it, guys. This is my PC setup. As you can see, I kind of, I'm just getting by, because I have like a separate table. There's no way I can fit my mouse here, while I have this full-size K95 RGB Platinum XT right here. So this is how it's gonna be now. So yeah. Guess that's it. Expect some content in the future. And I might stream on Twitch now, so that's cool. See ya.